Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. Today we're going to build the third plane in our paper plane series. This one's called the Canard wing and has small wings at the front like a fighter plane. Right, let's get started. To start with, we're going to fold our piece of paper in half. When we do this, we want to make sure that the corners line up nicely. When we've got the corners lined up perfectly, we can fold our piece of paper flat. We're going to open it up with the crease upwards. Now we're going to fold in the two front corners of our plane. When we do this, we want to make sure that the edge of the paper lines up nicely with the centre fold of the plane. Once we put it in place, we can fold it flat. Now we repeat this with the other side. Line up the centre. And then fold it flat. Now we're going to turn our piece of paper over, and we're going to fold in the sides. When we do this, we want to let the front corner of our first fold pop out. This creates our canard wing at the front of the plane. So once the fold is lined up with the centre of the plane, we can fold it flat. And we're going to repeat this again with the other side. So fold it over, letting the first fold pop out. Line the crease up with the centre of the plane. Once we've got it lined up nicely, hold it in place and fold it flat. If we have a quick look at the other side, we can see that the first fold pops out when we do the second fold. Right, at the front of the plane we've got a nice formed square now. We want to fold this in half, so we're going to take the front of the plane and put it back to the back of the square. When we do this, we just want to make sure that centre line lines up nicely, and then we can fold it flat. And we want to fold the tip or the front of the plane back out again. We want to be about halfway along the canard wing. So we look at the centre line of the plane, and we want to make sure this is dead straight when we fold this down. And we fold it flat. Next stage, we're just going to fold our plane in half. So now we just want to make sure that both sides line up. So we line up the tips of our canard wings. And hold it down, and we can flatten all the creases. Now we just need to fold our wings out. So at the front, we want to be about halfway between the canard wing and the base of the plane. So make a little fold there. And at the back, we want to be about 1/3 up from the centre. When it looks good, we can flatten our fold down. Now we repeat this with the other side. About halfway down again, making sure it matches the other side. And at the back, we check we've got it in the right place by lining up the back two corners here. When it's all lined up perfectly, we can flatten our folds. Might need to adjust the canard wings to make sure they're nice and straight. That's our basic plane made. What we do need to do is make sure we get that positive dihedral angle by lifting the wings slightly to get this nice Y shape at the back. And that's our plane completed. When holding our canard wing fighter, we want to hold it about a third of the distance along from the front, and we want to make sure both wings are pushed right up to give it stability when it flies. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click here to subscribe to our channel, where you can watch more videos on great things to make and create. You can also click on the thumbs up icon below to give us a like or leave a message in our comment section.